and this is our Edison video essay. Team members are
Jake Aronowitz,
Jamie Lee Cataldi,
and Jonathan Ding.
Our school is Lester C. Noecker School, and our mentor is Mrs. Lucic.
You're now watching Edison Today on Channel 4, presented by your hosts, Jake Aronowitz, Jamie Lee Cataldi, and Jonathan Ding, also known as the Lazer Brain.
Today's topic is, who was Thomas Alva Edison?
Yes, that's correct, Jonathan. And to start off with, who exactly is Edison?
I've got that covered, Jamie. Thomas Edison was the youngest of 7 children of Nancy and Samuel Edison. Edison had 6 children with 2 different spouses, Mina Miller and Mary Stillwell. Also, some of his well-known friends include Henry Ford and Harvey Firestone. Surprisingly, Edison only attended 12 weeks of formal elementary school before being pulled due to poor behavior and hearing problems.
Wow, isn't that odd for such an intellectual?
I agree. Now let's move on to his inventions and innovations. Edison was known for his unique inventions, many of which that are still used today. First of all, the modernized light bulb. Arguably Edison's most famous and useful invention, though technically an innovation, the unique light bulb took America to a new age, as it brought affordable light to nearly every household.
What would we do without Edison? And just a thought, was he the first to try this, Jonathan?
As a matter of fact, he was not the first to experiment with electric light. However, according to EdisonBunkers.org, he did produce the first commercially viable one. In addition, Edison innovated upon Edward Callahan's 3-wire stock ticker, making the universal stock printer. This amazing machine sent financial information in numbers and abbreviations through the telegraphs.
Genius, just genius. Well, here's just a little synopsis to refresh your thoughts. Edison was an inventor born on February 11, 1847 in Milan, Ohio. He unfortunately passed away on October 19, 1931 in West Orange.
I have a question. Were all of Edison's inventions successful?
Although Edison is mostly acknowledged for his successes, his failures were what made him able to learn efficient ways to make things. For example, one of his lesser-known creations, Edison's kinetophone, was a kinetoscope, which is a motion picture viewer with a small hole to see through. It was augmented with a phonograph that you could hear with 2 cone-like earpieces attached. The idea never flourished and was later abandoned. Moving on to Jake.
Edison attended Cooper Union College, or back then named the Cooper Institute. In 1869, Thomas moved to New York City and pursued his first invention. He developed an improved stock ticker, the universal stock printer. Some patents of his include motion pictures, electric light and power, and batteries.
Incredible! Such knowledge! This is a little bit off topic, but you know, Edison did have beliefs unrelated to his professions. One includes not believing in afterlife or immortality. In fact, Hollowverse.com quotes, "Because we are as yet unable to understand it, we call it immortal. It is the ignorant, lazy man's refuge. There are plenty of savages, you know, who still call fire immortal." Boy, was Edison serious about that one.
You got that right.
Our references used were EdisonBunkers.org, NPS.gov, Biography.com, AmericasLibrary.gov, and Hollowverse.com.
Yes, well anyway, that's all for now on Edison Today, featuring Jamie Lee,
Jake,
And Jonathan.
mainly known as
the
Lazer
Lazer
Brains.
Brains.